my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. For today's class, we are going to be creating a melon fan. An easy task to do. Now we're going to be using 2 regular size pink paper, a green paper, a light pink, a scissors, 2 fudge sticks, an elastic band, a marker, and this is my glue. All right guys, let's go. Now the first thing that I'm going to do is to fold my paper. Now I'm using the edges of my paper, making sure they're aligned to get a straight line and easy to cut line. And I will be using this piece here to create my measurement. Let's go ahead and cut. And remember, we cut behind the line. Now I need 2 pieces of pink strip, so I'm going to put this one, the other paper, line it up, and cut. Alright, so we have our 2 pieces. Grabbing my green, and I'm going to place this paper because I want them to be the same size over my green paper. And I'm going to measure and hold it and cut. And I'm cutting behind the line. And I'm measuring the other one, doing the same thing and cutting. Alright guys, so we're going to need 4 pieces of each. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 more pieces for the pink and 2 more pieces for the green. So I'm going to fast forward the video. So go ahead, cut your 4 pieces, and I'll see you on the other side. Alright guys, now we are all ready and set. We have our 4 green strips and our 4 pink strips. Now I'm going to use 2 of each strip to create my first fan. Alright, let's go. Okay, so this is my sponge. I call it my sponge glue. It's not messy. All I do is wipe my paper on the sponge. It is clean, easy to use, and not messy. All right, let's glue our first color. Well, we're gluing it over the pink, the main color. Let's grab our pink. I'm wiping it on my glue sponge. I'm using my hand to press it down, guys. Let's press it down. Put our back into it. Yes, turn it around. I'm going to start with our green first. Wipe. Wipe. Okay, pasting it down. Now our pink. All right, paste it down, and we're going to put this one to dry, and we're going to start with our other one. So I have my 4 strips of paper. Let's start with our green. Now I'm doing the pink. Now this is a really fun activity, and because the summertime is coming up, it is perfect for you to create this plan to keep you cool. Yes, guys, to keep you cool. Turn the paper around and we're going to start with our green again, green strip. And we're gluing it down. Now notice how I'm using my hand to smooth it down. Now the pink. All right. Now I'm switching them. I'm grabbing the other one because it should be dry. And I'm going to go ahead and add my seeds onto my watermelon. So I'm just creating small lines, thick lines, all over my watermelon. Just random lines. One line, two line, three lines. We're creating those lines. Yes. And what type of lines are these? Yes, you are right. They are diagonal lines. Right. I'm going to put this one down and I'm grabbing the other one and I'm adding my diagonal lines to them. And we know our diagonal lines, they are slant lines. Yes, they are. All right, it's looking more like a watermelon now, isn't it, guys? Yes, it is. I'm switching it over and it's time to start folding. Now for folding, we're going to go forward. Now you decide how thick you want the folds to be. We're going forward. We're going to flip it over and we're going to bring it back. We're going forward. And then we're going to bring it back. We're going forward. And then we're bringing it back. Forward again. Notice I'm trying to use my hand as a guide to make sure that my lines are even. Bring it back. Okay. Forward. And then I am going to bring it back. And I'm holding it, putting a lot of pressure on the paper so that it holds. All right, we have one area of the fan completed. I'm going to put this one down and I'm going to grab the other one. Now for this one, to make sure you get the right measurement, what you can do is place the other one over it and you can start folding with it so that you don't get the wrong measurement, so that they're the same size. Okay, so now that I've gotten it, I'm going to put that aside. I'm going to continue folding forward, using my hand to get the creases. Then I'm bringing it back. Mine ripped a little, but that's okay. There's no mistake in art. We can always fix our problems, right, guys? Yes, and we're bringing it back. We're going forward, then we're bringing it back. Good job, guys. You are doing an awesome job. Our fans will be looking amazing. Bringing it forward. Okay, bring it back. All right, forward. And let's bring it back. All right, guys. We did it. We did it. Now what I'm going to do is to fold it inwards. Fold it inwards. Put all that strength on it so that the fold can stay. I'm going to grab the other one, and I'm also going to fold it inwards. Make sure the tops are aligned. We're putting our strength on it. Okay. Now, whichever glue you're using, I would say the best glue to use is the Elmer's glue or Ponel glue, because the stick glue, unless you have really thin paper, the stick glue might not hold. What I'm going to do now is to put my two pieces together, and I'm going to place it over it. But make sure, guys, that the fronts, they match up and the back matches up, so we don't place them the wrong way. Went ahead and put my elastic band over. Here we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and start gluing. I'm going to bring these two sides together, hold them firmly. So we're going to hold on and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, guys, we're holding on firmly. And it is glued. We're going to find the other side, the other section. Do the same. Put them together. Hold on firmly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job, guys. You are rocking it. Now we have one section left to glue. I'm going to go ahead, place it on my sponge glue. Now you see how easy it is to use the sponge glue? Yes. Holding it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and there you have it, guys. Now what I'm going to do is grab my fudge sticks, and we're going to be putting the paper this way and gluing our fudge sticks on both sides. And yes, the glue works for my fudge sticks also. And we're going to hold it on our fudge stick for about 30 seconds so that it is glued properly. When you're finished holding it, we're going to do the other fudge stick. And we're placing it on there. Make sure your fudge sticks are aligned. You can rest it on the table to make sure that they're at the same spot and hold. Hold for 30 seconds. Remember, we gotta hold it for 30 seconds. If you put a lot of glue on it, it might need to hold a bit longer. So hold it as firmly as you can, or you can rest something on it in this position so that it will dry fast and it won't shift from the position. Okay, guys, we are all done. Look at our amazing fan, ready to use. I had fun with you in art class today, and I hope that you did too. See you next time. Bye.